Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 90. Yes, I'm doing this YouTube stuff for 3 months, recording my trades, my daily recaps and uploading everything on YouTube. So today I did not follow two rules. As you can see, I did not average down, but I was holding my loser for over 10 minutes and I was holding my loser for over $15. So you're probably wondering, am I green today or am I red today? So let me first to tell you what happens and how I started trading. So I didn't like anything that we had in the pre-market. As far as the leading gappers, it was ARTV and there was a second one, I can't remember. So I noticed one stock, XRTX, I think, penny stock, very cheap one. I bought 100 shares at 105. In about 3 minutes I was up by $10. $10 is of course more money than I made yesterday with my whole account. So it was a small trade, $100 in, 100 on 5, and I was up, as I said, by $10. I didn't take my profit. Then XRTX is dipping below $1. I'm selling with a loss minus $6. I see ARTV squeezing, so I missed the whole squeeze from 550 I think up to 719. So I missed the whole squeeze. I ignored the huge topping tail that formed and I punched the buy order. Bought 50 shares of ARTV, and you probably know what happened with our ARTV after this pop. It started just selling off. There were some nice pops during pre-market, but the sellers did not allow stock to move higher. There were some times when I saw huge sellers, like 30,000 sellers, but there wasn't something crazy during the pre-market. So I guess there were some big sellers on specific levels, but I think there was also a hidden seller somewhere. So I was holding this position. It dipped down as low as $50. I did not sell. ARTV was a second leading gapper. So at some point from being minus 50, I was down only $17 or $15 on a day. I did not sell on the first pop and it was a rejection, huge rejection. Then around 11:45 I sold 30 shares just to make sure that I'm not gonna go deeper than $50. And when the stock tried to go to I think 597, another rejection, I sold 20 shares. Let me show you where I sold it, and it's gonna be really crazy. As you can see, the stock popped up multiple times to around 597 level. So I was here around minus $15-17 on a day. Then when it dipped here, I sold the rest of my shares, 20 shares. And I remember there was also a stock RANI that squeezed over 200%, was holding up also, and I was thinking that the ARTV can do the same thing. So this is when I sold it. So as you can see, I was holding for a really long time, and around 12 o'clock I sold all of my shares. And look at what happened after. This was the high on ARTV, $7.36. So this is what the stock can do. You need to cut your loss as fast as possible. So As you can see, this is my day, finishing my day red, minus $41.56 or 9.4%. So yesterday I started a nice recovery, following all of my stop losses. Today I followed only one stop loss, and it was on XRTX, as you can see. Bought 100 shares. At some point I was up, as I said, $10 on a day. Just on this position, did not sell it, and sold with almost minus $7. Look what happened next. When I was in ARTV trade, on this trade, I was down around 20 bucks, I think. So I noticed that XRTX is hitting all the time highs and just not non-stopping. I had enough money to buy 26 shares. That's how much I bought, and look at how much I made just on 26 shares. So I made myself basically a break even on XRTX. Sold almost right at the top. First I sold, I think, like 10 shares. As you can see, I bought when it was squeezing higher, 130, I did another 138, and then I sold at 158 and 161. So, but ARTV was very bad. You see when I sold it? The moment I sold it, it started squeezing up. That's pretty much what happens. Usually, if you remember, I tried holding my loser with an expectation that it's gonna do similar, but ZNB just started selling off throughout the day. There was another stock also I traded earlier, also lost 120 bucks on it or something. It was 2 days ago. I think it was ZNB, maybe not, maybe something else. So bought here, did not cut my loser on this level, and let it dip, as you can see, very crazy. Then sold on the second, I think that was second or third pop. The stock was trying to break 6 bucks, couldn't do it. 5.99 was the high of this candle. I sold, I think, like 10 or 20 shares, maybe less, maybe 5 shares. Unfortunately, I did not record when I was selling. It was a really long time for me to record such a session, and here I was selling the rest. And as you can see, I had only 20 shares in this area, and as the stock started dipping, I didn't want it to go to 513 level, so I sold it. But the stock decided just to go straight up, broke $6 level, you see, squeezed a bit lower, then moved higher, and it hit 736. So finishing my day red, minus $41.56. It puts me red on this week. So my trader view stopped working. I'm red by $168 on this week. It's definitely a really bad week for me. Last week was good. I was up by $78.66. So something I need to definitely change for the following week, and not to be as aggressive as I was this week. So finishing my day red. Unfortunately, did not follow 2 of my rules, but still finishing a day red. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let me know, guys, how you traded today, or what stocks you traded, and if you finished your day red or green. So right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning, guys. Looking at the scanner, we have multiple stocks. I see XRTX is with news. XRTX. I'm gonna buy 100 shares of XRTX, bought 100 shares. And the day was 116. Selling 25 shares. I'm gonna cancel it, just hit the scanner XRTX to see if we will squeeze higher. ARTV might take the attention from XRTX. I see ARTV is moving higher. We need to break 111 in order to move to the high of the day. $107. It's above VWAP, which is good. 108 on the ask. Back to 107, 106. I'm gonna sell it. ARTV. XRTX, are you kidding me? Going straight again, trying to break VWAP. Bought 50 shares on ARTV. Okay, I'm in ARTV. We need to break 640 in order to move higher. We break and moving higher. Nice, the high of the day was 705. $747 was the high of this candle. 625, the high of this red candle. $6.18 on the ask, $6.16. $6.17 on the ask. We need to break $6.18. $6.18, $6.19 we're breaking. Now we need to break $6.25. $6.22 on the ask. Back to $6.18. $6.21 on the ask as well. This dip would just bought up. XRTX, I'm gonna buy 15 shares. Have 26 shares of XRTX. XRTX is going crazy. 165 now. Only on 26 shares, you see I'm up $8. It's 172 now. And I had a stock I was holding, I don't know, XRTX. I'm gonna sell 15 of XRTX. Sold 15 shares, I have 11 left. Now it's dipping. Sold XRTX. A false breakout on ARTV. ARTV says still second leading gapper. There's a RANI also. Penny stock 115, 135%. $5.92. This is next break. $5.88 on the ask. Cannot break. $5.92, then the previous resistance $5.97. $5.88 is the high on the ask. Look at this candle. Somebody bought all of his shares. I think we're gonna break it now. 592. That's a nice green candle. 587 we need to break first. $590 we're breaking. Now we need to break 592 and 597. Don't like the stopping tails, to be honest. So we're above VWAP and we're break 597. trying to move higher. 584 was the high. $580 on the ask. We're breaking. Not quite. 590 was the high. MACD is open. So now we need to be above $6. $6 was the high. RANI is 174% on the day. ARTV is 111% on the day. Can we break now over $6? Psychological level before moving to 650. 595 I saw on the ask. Back to VWAP. $5.99, $6 on the ask. Big sellers at $6. Can we break $6? Trying to break this double top. 596 on the ask. The stock has some trouble around this double top level, 597. Like I would say it's $6 already, not 597. 598, 599, $6. I saw 616. We went higher. Good. Was it a false breakout? 619 was the high of this candle. Looks like now this is a resistance level we have here at 602. We need to be above this ascending trend line to become a support for a stock. 570 on the ask, don't see any big sellers, but still the price is down from moving up. You see, just moved up straight through VWAP and came back right down. So RANI is below VWAP. Maybe now all of the attention will be around ARTV. If we can break VWAP and $6.